Alright, we're here with Lisa to try, what is this? What is this you got going on here?
Poppi. That's the
Poppi, okay. I'll look and see if I can find this product online. We found this at Sprouts.
Yeah, it's an orange prebiotic soda.
Probiotic?
Is it pro?
Prebiotic, yeah. Prebiotic soda.
Yeah, soda, orange soda. And they have others, they have all kinds of different flavors. Been wanting to try it since I like orange. Well, I'd like to find a nice orange soda I'd actually like, you know.
I don't think this is going to be it, but okay. Good luck to you.
We got this to try it. It's well too much expensive because this one can was over $2 if I recall right.
What's the sugar content and the calories?
4 grams of sugar.
And what's the calories?
One serving is one can.
Okay.
Sugars is 4.
Calories is
20.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not bad, 20 calories.
No, and then yeah, it's got a bunch of organic stuff in it and whatnot. So
if you've had this product before, let me know what you thought of it. If you have not, do you like prebiotic, probiotic style drinks? So it's going to be kind of kombucha-ish.
apple cider vinegar based kind of thing. So let's see what happens. If I can get it open. Ow.
There you go. How's the smell?
Smells like orange soda.
Nice smell. Yeah, it smells like a standard orange soda.
Yeah, I mean, if you like orange soda, this is more closer than
Any of the others?
Yeah, like it doesn't have a bite as bad.
Let me have a sip. We'll try it.
Have a sip and try it. It's not bad.
It's not for me.
It's gonna have a little bit of a bite like apple juice. I mean orange juice.
Yeah, it's not for me. It's too citrusy.
But yeah, it's not bad for something that's way more healthier.
With a zing at the end.
Well, it's way more healthier than soda. So
I'd give that a
soda,
2.
But
I'd give that a 2 out of 5 stars. What would you give it?
A 3. You'd have
3
to
out
get
of
used to the
5?
bite.
It definitely has a bite at the end. That's the prebiotic bite.
Well, no, it has like a citrus orange, a fresh orange.
But I know, but
bite.
there's a sharpness there. That's what I said. It's probably the prebiotic sharpness.
I actually could get this again. I'd like to try one of their others.
All right, well, cool.
Oh.
If you haven't tried this before, would you be willing to try something like this? Let us know down below, and we'll see you in the next video.